Exciting news, everyone. The bullish divergence is in and XRP is on the move. Did David Schwartz predict this? Maybe. There's so much unfolding and things are starting to heat up in the crypto world. Despite global turmoil, it looks like crypto might be breaking away and charting its own course. Hope you're all having an amazing day. XRP is sitting strong around $2.20 and definitely in the green today. Bitcoin's climbing too. Looks like we've held the line, folks. Someone's been scooping up these cryptos, sparking a pump and flashing positive signs on the charts. We'll break it all down in today's video. Don't forget to like and let's dive in. Let's kick things off by celebrating a milestone. Today is June 2nd, 2025, and it's XRP's 13th birthday. Can you believe it? Time flies. The XRP ledger made its debut back in June 2012, but the story started a year earlier. In 2011, three brilliant minds, David Schwartz, Jed McCaleb, and the ever mysterious Arthur Brito, seriously, he's like the Satoshi Nakamoto of this story, started developing what would become the XRP ledger. Inspired by Bitcoin, their mission was clear: create a digital asset that's not only sustainable, but also purpose-built for payments. And here we are, celebrating 13 years of that vision in action. Not long after Chris Larsen joined the team, and together they launched OpenCoin in September 2012. What a journey it's been since then. Now, here's something intriguing. 13 years in, and guess what the 13th year represents? The moon. That's right, folks. The 13th year is when XRP takes off. Could it happen this year? Imagine XRP soaring between now and next June. Fascinating, isn't that? Here's why this matters. Because the bear from way back told us to stay focused on the prize. And honestly, who doesn't love to dream about the moon, the stars, and the magic of what's ahead? Keep watching. Fascinating stuff, isn't it? All signs pointing to June, the month to keep our focus on the ultimate goal. Could this finally be it, folks? Maybe this is the month where things truly ignite like fireworks lighting up the night sky. And here's an intriguing clue from the reverse bear guide on June 1st, 2019. Take note. Everything's green. Yes, you read that right. Everything is green. So deep breaths, stay calm and block out the negativity. That's the takeaway here. And look, the bear is fully green covered. What does that mean? Boom. So the big question, are we about to moon? Let's dive in because this is getting wild. The best part, we held the line. Check this out. $2.13 held strong, and it's officially confirmed a bullish divergence on the daily chart. To me, that signals one thing: we're likely to see a pump in the coming days. Exciting, right? Absolutely. But let's not forget, this could be a double-edged sword. Here's the deal. If we do pump from here, and holding the line is already a win, no doubt, things might get tricky. Why? Liquidity is building up all over the place. Here, there, everywhere, and now even more right here. Funny enough, I talked about this in a video a few days ago, predicting we'd hold this level. That's why I went all in on a high risk, high reward leverage trade, nearly 100x. Unfortunately, it hit the liquidation price. So yeah, not thrilled about that. But now we're starting to pump because once again, the line held. It was right here, guys. Right here. They even dipped a tiny percent below before bouncing back. They're starting to pump it now. And in the coming days, we might just see a retrace, right? So if anyone's looking for an entry point, this could be it. Overall, though, I believe we're heading into a bullish week ahead. Not diving into Bitcoin in this video, maybe the next one, but things are looking pretty solid for XRP right now. Now, when it comes to XRP vs Bitcoin, we're seeing bullish divergences across multiple timeframes. What does that mean? It means capital could start flowing from Bitcoin into XRP if the charts stay green. But here's the kicker. XRP needs to break above that key level. You know the one I'm talking about, right? That level, we're so close, almost there. If XRP can break above and hold it, we're talking serious upside potential. The game plan is set. Things are lining up beautifully. Big news backing this price action. Picture this. A massive $400 million 0 cents XRP bid is loading up. That's right. Imagine all that money pouring in. Why? BitGo has partnered with Vivo Power to facilitate a jaw-dropping 100 million XRP acquisition as part of their treasury strategy. Yes, 100 million XRP. The influx of funds is going to be unprecedented. BitGo, the leading provider of digital asset infrastructure, brings top-tier solutions like custody, staking, trading, financing, and settlement, all secured through regulated cold storage. This exciting update was shared by the Digital Euro Association. Get ready, XRP fans. Big moves could be coming on the weekly charts. So what's the situation here? Well, we're currently sitting below key moving averages, and that's the hurdle we need to clear. To turn things around, the price must break above the $2.30 mark, maybe even closer to $2.40. That's the sweet spot, guys. Looking at the weekly setup, There's potential for bullish divergence to push XRP higher, aiming for those critical levels. It's all about momentum now. Remember, we talked about this when the price was way down here. The key, no rejection at these levels. Let's watch closely and see if XRP can make its move. We need to break past these levels and hold them as support to keep pushing higher. If we want to see those targets sometimes within reach, we've got to stay focused. Honestly, I haven't calculated the exact Fibonacci level yet, but I'd keep an eye on the 3240 range. We need to get above that, and maybe we will. Who knows? As we head into autumn, we might even hit 4 digits. Why? Because this is by far the wildest series of tweets I've ever witnessed. You can't get any more bullish than what David Schwartz has just dropped. Yesterday, he tweeted something that feels like hitting the jackpot. What's going on here? Gambling? Wait a second. This is next level stuff. And then we've got the prize, winner, winner, chicken dinner. The moment I saw this, my mind immediately went to 4 digits, $1,458.30 to be exact. Right there in plain sight. We all know David Schwartz loves to drop hints and clues. It's kind of his thing. He's done it time and time again, nailing top and bottom calls like some kind of market magician. But this is on a whole other level. Just think about it. He snaps this photo of what looks like a gambling machine, clearly after hitting a jackpot. $1,458.00 isn't pocket change, folks. It's a solid win. And let's not overlook the fact that he pulled out his phone, captured the moment, and sent out a tweet for the world to see. You know, he's got a reason for every move he makes. Now, here's where it gets wild. The grand prize on that machine, 5 digits, $11,000.00. But what he won, $1,458.00, lines up suspiciously well with the ongoing chatter about XRP hitting 2K 4 digits, 1,000 plus XRP. The signs are everywhere if you're paying attention. Oh, and those 3 moons, let's not forget them. It is a powerful number. And when you start talking about double digits, triple digits, and 4 digits, things start to feel deliberate. Coincidence? Maybe. But honestly, when it comes to riddlers and their cryptic games, nothing's ever just random. Things are heating up and they're starting to look downright insane. Check this out. Just look at all these numbers and colors. They've got to mean something, right? Honestly, no idea if this is the wildest tweet I've ever made, but here goes. David's jackpot post yesterday at 2:43 p.m. Also the 883rd minute of the day. And guess what? 883rd is the 153rd prime number. Oh, and today is 6/2, the 153rd day of the year. Coincidence? Nah, I don't think so. And here's the kicker. This is exactly when all the bullish tweets start rolling in. Robinhood just finalized its acquisition of Bitstamp, adding a licensed global exchange with users across the EU, UK, US, and Asia. Big news just dropped. Bitstamp, which holds over 50 active licenses, is now officially under Robinhood. Yes, Robinhood, the massive retail hub for buying stocks. I mean, I've never bought a stock myself. I honestly wouldn't even know where to start, but we all know how huge Robinhood is in that space. This is a game changer. Here's why. Bitstamp is building a perpetual DEX on the XRP ledger. Yep, they're setting the stage to launch a derivatives exchange. Think about it. No more relying on shady exchanges. Bitstamp and Ripple are teaming up to provide a secure, decentralized alternative. It's honestly mind-blowing. This is exactly what we've been waiting for. Man, I just can't shake this feeling. I wish this had happened last year, you know, like late last year or even early this year. Crazy times, right? But hey, at least it's coming. The future's looking bright and people will be in good hands soon enough. Oh, and remember Bitstamp? They literally said XRP is set to make history in 2025. Yeah, next year, guys. Let that sink in. It's officially happening. And guess what? The news just keeps getting better. This is pure bullish energy. They're talking about tokenizing real estate on the XRP ledger. Over $600 trillion worth. Imagine that. Everything will be tokenized on the XRPL. It's all coming together, flooding in. Wow. XRP's price is climbing higher. All right. If you know the song, you know the drill. Sing along. So let's talk June. This month is packed, especially with Apex on June 10th to 12th, hosted by Ripple. Big things are coming. Probably bullish announcements, right? Feels like we're moving at lightning speed now. Momentum building fast and furious. Now let's dive into today. June 2nd, Mr. Poole has been busy. Pearl, the diamond, this clearly connects to June, the birthstone. And dollar bills everywhere, hundreds, 50s, symbolizing money flowing in. Fast forward to June 20th, happy balloons. Balloons rise, right? And today, June 2nd, flipping the switch. If you look at the 20th and drop the 0, it all circles back to now. All right, folks, we're flipping the switch today, right? Plus, there's chatter about a settlement on the horizon. definitely something to watch for Bitcoin. Oh, and the connection to gold, fascinating stuff. Gold's been climbing and Bitcoin seems to be riding the same wave. Interesting correlation, don't you think? And let's not forget the military angle. So much happening right now. It's like a buffet of intrigue. Feels like a cool breeze of insights, doesn't it? Oh, and here's the kicker. Powell is speaking today right on XRP's 13th birthday. Coincidence? Not a chance. Never was, folks. Look at the timing. Beautiful, isn't it? The markets are moving and all we need now is to keep the momentum going. That's the game plan. All right, time to grab some space. Catch you later.